Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll compare Hypefury and Tweethunter. This is helpful if you want to pick the best X or Twitter growth and scheduling tool for 2025. So, for the overview of the both platforms, so for Hypefury, it has scheduling, evergreen tweets, and analytics, and also offers paid plans and good for marketing focused users. Now, for Tweethunter, it is focused on content discovery, trending topics, AI suggestions, and support scheduling as well. And a paid plan is required. Now, for the feature comparison, so both have scheduling. However, Hypefury is stronger in automation, and for the content discovery, Tweethunter excels in trends and content ideas. For analytics, Hypefury has detailed analytics, while Tweethunter has basic. Now, for the ease of use, both are intuitive. However, Tweethunter is slightly more content focused. So, if you want automated scheduling and analytics, then you should go ahead and use Hypefury. But if you want content ideas and trend discovery, then you should choose Tweethunter. And yeah, that's the comparison between Hypefury and Tweethunter. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.